Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am sorry I have been missing in action for quite a few weeks. It was an unexpected break, but I'm back now and I have a grocery haul for all of my subscribers who love my grocery hauls. Went to Loblaws or Real Canadian Superstore and this is the stuff that I got. So I'm just going to go through it quickly for you. Okay, so we bought some steel cut oats, regular steel cut oats. My husband and my daughter, one of my daughters, like that a lot. So we decided to buy 3 because we only get it from the superstore. We can't get it anywhere else. Then moving on, I bought jumbo shells to also go with the linguine. So I'll be making linguine, but I'll also be making shells that day. So I am going to just stuff it with cheese and then a meat sauce or a tomato sauce over it, just the way it shows in the picture. I also bought some penne. Okay, and these were on sale for $1. Okay, then I bought some PC tomato sauce. This is our favorite kind, sweet basil PC brand tomato sauce. I bought 2 of them because they were 2 for $5. Okay, so that was on sale. Barbecue sauce. Then we bought some butter chicken, which I will be cooking tonight. So just chopping up the chicken, adding this in, very simple to do, and then cooking some rice to go with it. Also bought some Kalamata olives to go on pizza or to just eat just like that, or put in salads. Okay, then we bought some Tropicana low acid orange juice. My husband really likes the orange juice, and he likes low acid carnation 2% milk, and I bought this. It wasn't on sale or anything, but I bought this. I usually like to have this, at least one can of this on hand in case my milk runs out. Then we have this, but lately I haven't really had to do that, so since I've started shopping more on a weekly basis. So I bought this because I wanted to try the fudge recipe here. It looks really good. It's a 5-minute fudge recipe. Maybe I'll make a video about that, guys. If you want me to make a video and show you how it goes and how it turns out, let me know. I would love to do that because I love baking and cooking and all that good stuff. So I'll be making that. Okay, Unicode tomato paste. They weren't on sale, but they were 78 cents. So I bought 2. Then I bought these. I don't normally buy these, but just for a treat for the kids. They're sunflower crackers, the strawberry flavor, so there's a sweet flavor. They had a butter flavor. I think they also have a chocolate, but they didn't have that available in the store. So I decided to get the strawberry. Okay, then I got some homogenized milk. And then chickpeas. These were on sale for 94 cents. So really good deal. Okay, so I got 4 of them. I could have stocked up and bought even more, which I probably should have because we like chickpeas. Okay, then I bought some frozen yogurt, vanilla, chocolate chunk, and caramel. And we just bought this because we do plan to barbecue tomorrow. And we plan to grill some peaches and put this over it. Okay, then I bought some maple syrup. This was on sale for $9.98, and it's like 500 ml. And then we bought some waffles because these were on sale for $2. So they were on sale as well, so that will go good together. Then I bought some red rose tea. This was also on sale. I believe it was $2.74 or something like that. So usually, even when it goes on sale, it's like $3.98 or $4 something, or the regular price I think is $4 something, but the sale might be $3.98. So I decided to stock up and buy 2 of these and just keep these. I might store it in the cold room downstairs. Okay, then we bought some grilling steak. My husband is basically the only one who's going to eat this. My son might, but we just bought this to try to grill. We're not really big beef eaters, but once in a while, my husband wants that. Okay, then I bought some chicken thighs with the bone in, skin on to do some barbecue with that. Then I bought cucumbers. These were $3 for the 3. Some tomato, zucchini. These are for grilling. And then some broccoli, some mushrooms. I believe these were $2.98, and it's kind of like you're getting 2 packages of those little packages of mushrooms. So I bought 2 of these. Sorry, 1 of these. We're going to use it for grilling as well as pizza. Okay, then I bought some garlic and some sweet red peppers. That will also be for grilling, and I'll probably be doing that on a skewer. Bought some lettuce. Okay, so cucumber, tomato, lettuce for salads and to also put on sandwich. Okay, then I also bought corn. Okay, and then these were 33 cents each. I also bought some cherries. So cherries have come in now. We don't always get cherries, and it's only for a limited time. And I believe these ones are from, these are not Ontario. I think these are from the States. If I just double check here. Yes, product of the United States. So, yeah, so we've got these, but they're really good. I love them. Look at them. They look purple. And I believe they were like $2.98 a pound, so that's a pretty good price. Okay, then I bought some bananas, 56 cents. And I like to always buy like half in green bananas, like they're not ripe at all. And then half that are like yellow, like ready to eat or will be ready in the next day. Okay, then I bought some peaches. Okay, it's just like I said, we're gonna be grilling these, and then I bought some extra ones for my daughters. Then I have some gala apples, and some of these look really sweet. So I got 2 because my daughter likes the sweet apples, and then I just bought some more. They'll ripen at different times. Okay, then I have some blueberries. This was a pint and $4.98. It's an okay price, not terribly great, but it's okay. But you know what, blueberries are good for you. And yeah, I can also put it in muffins, and I can also freeze them, so that's good. I just bought that for that. Okay, tortilla chips, large round. Humpty Dumpty, these are just snacks for the kids. Ripple cut potato chips and sour cream and onions. I also like to have chips on hand for when, you know, someone might pop over. Maybe they have kids, or even themselves. They just like to put a bowl of chips on the table, as well as some other things as well, like muffins and fruit and stuff. But yeah, so I bought that for us, but also I'll be putting maybe 1 or 2 away for guests. Okay, D'Italiano Original 8 buns. These are just, you know, hamburger buns. And I have chicken burgers that I'll be making for the kids this week, so I bought those. And then croissants. I also bought this Rich and Chewy chocolate chip granola bar. The kids love this one. It's the President's Choice brand club pack, and it was $6. Now, how cute are these, guys? These cute little heart candles. There are 10 inside. These are for my daughter's birthday, which is coming up, and we'll be doing a bear cake, and it's going to be pink, kind of this color. And so I just thought these would be so cute to put on her cake, 8 of them for her to blow out. And then, because we always like putting the number, they also had these picks, and they had them in silver as well. She wanted the gold. So this will go in the cake on the top, because it's going to be a bear cake. If you guys want to see how I make that, let me know in the comment box below. I will definitely do a video, but only if I have some interest in people who want to see it. Okay, so this is 8. She's going to be 8. So I'm just starting to buy things for her birthday. We are not doing a party, but I am making her a special cake, and we'll probably go out, and yeah, we'll do some stuff around that just to make it special. So that's it, guys. Okay, guys, that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a huge thumbs up, because it does let me know that you do enjoy it and that I should make more. So I am back. I do plan to post, but I just don't know exactly which days. So hit the hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification, because that notifies you every time I post a video, no matter which day it is. Okay, take care, guys. And until next time, be well on your journey to a home sweet home.